Very good morning to all of you. Once again, myself Rajesh Kumar, welcome you all our official YouTube channel Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. My dear student, I am going to teach you SST for Standard 7 today, and the civics chapter is democracy. Our first chapter is given here, democracy, Standard 7, chapter number 1. My dear student, if you are getting very well about the videos, you must like it and share among your acquainted friends. So let us begin our topic. Our topic is democracy. It is very vast and very important topic for us. My dear student, at first we should try to understand about the conditions, whatever happening, whatever going on in around us. As we are getting, our country is a democratic country. Our country, I mean to say here, I want to talk here about India. That is a democratic country. There village panchayat is there. These are rules and regulations, laws, terms and conditions, constitutions. They and everybody here in our country, everyone has equal right and they can raise their voice in against of unjust. If anyone's do unjust in against of anyone, then they can raise their respective voice. So, my dear students, suppose in our country, we will discuss over the country's situation today. In the different levels, I mean to say here, this is central level or union level, state level or the local level. On this basis, our government has already distributed, and among it, there are different organizations and institutions which runs to follows, which runs to complete the democratic nations. So, my dear student, today we are going to know about the forms of government. What is government? You may ask me a question. Very interesting questions. Forms of government in this. What is government? Government, it is a form. It is an institutions. It is an organization. It is an organizations. They have some rules and they have power to enforce. They have power to enforce it among the citizens or among the people. So, forms of government, in forms of government, I mean what? There are different kinds of forms of government. Different kinds of, I mean to say, 6 or 7 type of forms of government are happening. But in that, today we are going to discuss over 3 types of government. You can see here, first one is monarchy, second one is dictatorship, and third one is democracy. First one is monarchy, second one is dictatorship, and third one is given here democracy. This is very important topic for us. Towards that we have to pay special attention for this chapter. In monarchy, what is happening? A form of government in which, try to understand it, a form of government in which there is a king and who ruled over the area, who ruled over the region, who ruled over the state. Once again, I want to repeat it. Monarch. If anyone asks from you, what is monarch? It is a form of government. Rajshahi. Are you getting me? It is a form of government in which there is a king who ruled over the area, who ruled over the nation, or who ruled over the state or the regions. And now the monarchy, how many type of monarchy? Monarchy are also divided into 2 categories. First one is absolute monarchy. You can see over here, I have written already. Absolute monarchy. Another one is constitutional monarchy. Absolute monarchy means what? What do you mean by absolute monarchy? Absolute monarchy means what? The monarchy system, a form of government in which there is a king, and according to the views of king, it can be ruled over the region, it can be ruled over the area. It means that there is, in the form of absolute monarchy, there is no any written constitutions. Are you getting me? In the form of absolute monarchy, there is no any written documents, that is the constitutions, that is called absolute monarchy. It means that in that cases, whatever the king, whatever the ideas of king, it can be followed over the nations. Yakin karta hu, you are getting well. If you are not getting, if you are facing any kinds of problem, then you can comment below the comment box and ask me your questions. So I will give you the answer. Another type of monarchy is that is constitutional monarchy. Sir, what is constitutional monarchy? Another form of government is constitutional monarchy. Sir, what is constitutional monarchy? A form of government, there is a king. Monarchy is what? A form of government in which there is a king who ruled over the regions, who ruled over the area, who ruled over the state. Then, in the constitutional monarchy means what? A form of government, there is a king who ruled over the area according to the constitution. According to the constitution, that these are differences, major differences between both of them. First one is what? Absolute monarchy. Another one is constitutional monarchy. In absolute monarchy, there is no written document, that I may not say that there is not constitution. According to the view or ideas of king, it can be followed or it can be ruled over the area. But in the constitutional monarchy, there is a king, but in that there is a constitution. According to that, it can be ruled over the area by the king into other regions. Anyways, now we will discuss over the other form of government like dictatorship. Today in Saudi Arabia also a monarch type of government is ruling over the region, ruling over the nation. Now we will discuss over dictatorship, Tanashah. Are you getting it? Dictatorship. What say लग रहा है कुछ अजीब नहीं? Dictatorship. There is a person as like as king. There is a person as like as king, but there is a sharp difference between both of them. In the monarchy system, the generation by generation, a single person's generation can become the king, the next king of the region. But in the dictatorship, might is right. Might is right means what? जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, if you are getting power, then you can fight with the real power, and if you are defeating them, you can be the next king or dictators. Like today in Korea, you can listen about Kim Jong-un. Then Kim Jong. If you are getting, then there is dictator. That is a form of dictatorship government. And in the history, you can study about. I mean to say here, Germany. Who was? Then you can see Adolf Hitler. You can listen Adolf Hitler. In this form of government, there is a dictator, and according to the idea of dictator, it can be ruled over the area. It can be ruled over the area. Now, the next form of government is, my dear student, democracy. Next form of government is what? Democracy. Sir, बड़ा अजीब लग रहा है. Which type? What is democracy? What are you speaking? Sir, democracy होता क्या है? इस पर हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे. We will discuss in the next slides. In the democracy is also a form of government in which it is ruled by the people, for the people and of the people. Democracy is a form of government in which it is ruled by the people, of the people and for the people. I simply can say over here, it is also a form of government. जनता का जनता के लिए और जनता के द्वारा किया गया शासन प्रणाली को ही डेमोक्रेसी यानी लोकतंत्र, लोगों का तंत्र है ना, लोकतंत्र कहा जाता है. सिंपली यू कैन से. ओके, देयर आर two types of democracy. There are two types of democracy. Ye today it is very famous entire the world. Most of the nations carrying or adopting such type of government. In our country also democracy is. In our country this type of government also. So this type of government, I mean to say here, I want to discuss over democracy. There are two types of democracy. Very easy है, काफी easily we can understand. Democracy, there are two types of democracy. First one is direct democracy. Oh, what is that? How do you say that? Another one is indirect democracy. अरे वाह, सर अच्छा बता रहे हैं. क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? डायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट, ये तो सर इंग्लिश वाला बात है. डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स व्हाट और डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स व्हाट? मैंने कहा था डेमोक्रेसी, आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड अबाउट डेमोक्रेसी. व्हाट इज डेमोक्रेसी? इन दैट इट इज रूल्ड बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल, ऑफ द पीपल. हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे कि अब्राहम लिंकन सेड सच अ डॉक्यूमेंट और डेफिनेशन फॉर द डेमोक्रेसी. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में हम लोग जानेंगे उसके बारे में. बट बिफोर विच in this type of democracy, that I mean to say here, in direct democracy, the people, or there is a group of people, and all the action has been taken, all the actions have been taken by such type of group of people around the area or into the regions. नहीं समझे? अभी स्विट्जरलैंड वगैरह में, स्विट्जरलैंड, have you listened about Switzerland? A very heavenly nation in the world. Their direct democracy is going on. Means there is a group of people, there is a chief who can take actions, who can take decisions and implement into the area. If suppose in the development there is a need of temple, there is a need of mosque, there is need of hospitality, there is need of education system, there is a need of roadways, there is need of cleanliness. The group of people are responsible for that. Group of people will arrange the money, arrange the contributions from the people, and thereafter if the action can be taken, it can be implemented into the area. Are you getting? डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी में जनता स्वयं हिस्सा लेती है. उसी में कोई चीफ होते हैं और चीफ अपने मुताबिक अगर कुछ बनाना होता है डेवलपमेंट के लिए तो पैसे कलेक्ट करते हैं. देयर आफ्टर दे आर टेकिंग एक्शंस. इन इनडायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी, अरे वाह सर, व्हाट इज इन इनडायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी? सर इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इन आवर कंट्री इंडिया, in our country India, such type of democracy is going on. Indirect democracy is going on. Sir, what is indirect democracy? Indirect democracy, I mean to say over here कि indirect democracy में common people or citizen of nation choose or elect their representative, and their representative can take actions or rule over the area. Suppose we are electing after a few tenures, हम लोग for MPs, for MLAs, chief, गांव के मुखिया का भी इलेक्शन होता है, MLAs के इलेक्शन होते हैं, MPs के इलेक्शन होते हैं, और उनके इलेक्शन में हम लोग हिस्सा लेते हैं, और हिस्सा लेने के बाद हम लोग उनको चुनते हैं. वो उसके बाद पर एक्शन डेवलपमेंट के बारे में सोचते हैं, एक्शन लेते हैं और इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. Then in India such type of democracy is going on. इस प्रकार की डेमोक्रेसी आज भी चल रही है. My dear student, Hope you have understood about such a topics whatever I have taught today before you. In the next video we will study the next thing. हम लोग अगले वीडियो में जानेंगे अगले के बारे में आगे पढ़ेंगे. Vast information, vast elaboration we will take over democracy. बहुत बृहत स्तर पर एक्सप्लेनेशन होगी डेमोक्रेसी पर और काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है कि आप घर बैठे बहुत अच्छी स्टडी कर सकते हैं. आई होप एंड यू ऑल विल live at your home, don't leave your home, and be safe in this pandemic situation. Live at your home and be safe. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.